Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace the lights on your vehicle. So right here we have the daytime running lights. This is the blinker. If you had fog lights, they'd be right down here. This car doesn't have the fog light. And then you got your high beam, low beam, and it's a clearance light slash parking light is what a lot of people call it, right? So the daytime runnings are on when you have the car on and the headlights aren't turned on. As soon as I turn the headlights on, these daytime running lights will turn off. And so I'm going to turn the headlights on and then we'll turn on the high beam. So you see, as soon as the headlights are on, the daytime running lights go out. It's just a built-in feature. But we've got the clearance light that's on there on the side, and we have the regular light bulbs on, and our blinker is on. And this is a double element, so when the blinker is not blinking, I'll show you that, when the blinker is not blinking, this light still lights up as another marker light or clearance light. And so when you turn the blinker off, like I said, this stays illuminated because it's a double element. We got our brights, our low beam, and our clearance, and the daytime running lights. And we're going to go over how you replace all of those on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.